important. Let's discuss the most important topic today called as list comprehension. Before that, we'll discuss the last method that we was using, right? What is that? How to empty a list, or how to clear the items available in the list. So there is a method called as clear, guys. List dot clear. What is that? List dot clear. Now what I'm going to do here is user details one dot, what is this method? Clear method. Okay, let me run this. See here, all the items in the given list got cleared. Make sense? Clear? So now let's see about list comprehension. So what is this? List comprehension is a short form of for loop. Is a short form of for loop. It limit the user with one for loop for many basic operations. Okay, it works with condition as well. Okay, let's see that how it is going to be help you. Okay, the syntax is very simple syntax. The syntax for this is going to be very simple syntax. Okay, so remember that here is this list comprehension will return a new list every time. What it will do? It will return a new list every time. The syntax is very simple syntax. It's a very simple syntax. Some variable is equal to square brackets. Okay, square brackets expression for item in iteratable object, for item in iteratable object. Okay, we can also use if condition as well. So let's see a small example where we can use this list comprehension in our daily regular activities. Okay, so now I want to bring all these list details into a new list. All the user details one into new list. So I'm going to create new list is equal to expressions. Okay, square brackets expression is x some variable. Try to give some variable. Okay, for I in user details 1, for I in user details 1. So if you use I here, you have to use I only. If you use x here, we have to use x only here. Okay, now see here, print of new list. Now if I run this, I'll be getting the entire list. So I'm not going to use any for loop to go and append every time. Okay, now I need to verify, I need to bring only the elements which are starting with k. I want to bring the elements which are starting with k. How can I get that? If x dot is x dot lower dot starts with, because I don't know, sometimes this x might be, read from here, this x might be uppercase or this x might be in lowercase. So I'm going to put a condition, if x dot lower dot starts with which one, with k, then only bring all those elements into this variable called as x. Now say I should get only Krishna and Krishna, two Krishnas will come. Got it? Now tell me what is the output I'm going to get. Now tell me what is the output I'm going to get.
Raj, Ram and Rahul.
Okay, what is the case will be there? Uppercase or lowercase?
Lowercase.
Why lowercase, dude? Because we are making it lowercase and comparing. But we are not changing the actual value, right? See there? Okay. So these are the beginner mistakes that we do normally. Okay, just keep in mind. In one line, we can get all the things done. Make sense? Clear? Any questions on list comprehension? Okay. So now let's see the next one. Sort a list. So I have a list like this. I want to sort the list. How can I sort the list?
Pratap, this list comprehension is used to create a subset of the existing list, right? With
Yes,
some
always
condition.
to give a written as list only.
Okay. And it will be based on some input list, right?
Yes, based upon iterable object only. That's what I give
Okay.
the syntax also, right? See here, iteratable object.
Okay.
Okay. Now observe very clearly here. Rahul, Raj, Ram, Rahul was there. First, what it will do? First, it will check the first letter among all, and then what it will do here is okay. First, what it will do? It will check the first letter, and then it will go and compare the next two letters, and then it will go and take the third letter when there is a common letters available. Got it? So now all the elements got sorted. So when you have these kind of thing, right, what you do here is, wait, what I'll do here is new list is equal to x for x in user details dot list x dot lower. Whatever the element that I'm going to get, I'm going to lower it. Okay. Now what I'll do here is new list dot sort, and then I'll print my new list. See here, then you'll get the right cases. So whenever you want to sort, always make everything is available in the same order, and it means that in the same case, else you won't get it. Now you got right. What is the benefit of using this list comprehension? Azim, Asha,
Yes, Pratap.
Yeah.
no confusion, right? Right.
Pratap, if we convert it to uppercase also, it will work, right?
Yes, yes, it should come. We want that. Let's do that. It should be any one case, then only it will come correctly.
Mm,
Okay?
okay.
You didn't trust Python. Okay? So I want to do a descending order. Then there is something called as reverse equal to true. So now it will come in the descending order. Make sense? Hmm? Okay? So sometimes in interviews they'll be asking you to wait. I'm thinking of one question was there, man. What is that? Just now thinking in mind, I forgot. Did I tell you anything about customization anywhere? No, right?
No,
Customization, no.
no.
Okay. Okay, for now, you'll just skip that. I'll tell you how to do that customization sometimes later. Okay. So now, quickly, can we write up all the method that we discussed in one go? No? So, can you tell what is the purpose of append? It is going
Uh,
to add a new element.
Add the
Where?
at the end,
Add the element at the end. So, clear means what it will do?
it will empty the list.
Empty the list, but it won't delete the list. List will be still available. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, we forgot one more thing. Okay, wait. There is a keyword called as delete new list, and now after deleting it, now see here. Deleting means this list itself will get deleted. This object will never exist. Clear means elements will be get deleted, but not the list. There is a difference between clear and delete. Don't forget. Okay. So clear, append clear, and then we have copy.
Copy.
Copy. I told right. No. Yes. Yes or no?
No, copy we didn't. I think.
Wait. New list equal to this one. Okay. New list dot copy of wait. Extend we have seen, right? There is copy method
Yes.
as well. Wait. What happened to this? Wait. Some simple only something went wrong. Wait, I'll tell you. New list is equal to user details one dot cop print new list. Now see, so all the details of this list one will get copy into new list. Okay, it's clear.
Yes.
Okay, so similarly we have count method. This we missed, right? Count method.
Yes.
Ruko jara, I will tell that. So in this particular list, I want to verify how many times the word Krishna got repeated. How many times the word Krishna got repeated. Okay. So I'm going to create it as a counter. Sorry. Counter is equal to print of counter. I want to verify how many times the word Krishna got repeated. If I want to count any specific word in the given list, right? I'll be using the method called as count. Clear?
Yes, Papa.
Clear?
Even for string, we are using the same method.
We can use. So extend we have seen. You know, right? If you want to extend one list to another list, I'll be using extend. Index. Okay. So index in the sense, like if I use my index, it will return me the element that I have passed here, where exactly in the list that is available. So now the list of Krishna is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Only the first occurrence I will be getting.
Okay.
Okay. So what else? Insert. Insert we have seen.
Yes.
Remove we have seen. For remove, there is another element, another similar method called as pop. Append is going to add at the last. Correct.
Yes.
Pop means what? What it will do?
Remove
Remove the
the last.
how? How? That you
Remove.
have to. So remove means you have to pass the element. Correct. Specify the element name. Okay. So remove means we'll see. Pop means first element will go off. Okay. No worries. I'll tell you that. I'll show you. User details dot pop. Okay. Now print off user details 1.
Last
What happened?
element gets
Last
deleted.
element got removed.
Deleted.
If I want to remove the element in first position, so I have to give my 0. The first element will be get removed. If I pass my first number as 1, then the index at that 1 that will get removed. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Push pop. So remove the last element by default. Okay. Pass the index position to remove any specific index element. Make sense? Clear? Yes, no.
Yes. It's better.
Yes, remove we have seen, and we have seen about your sort as well. Okay, there should be one more method called as reverse in list only. Yes, I believe. Yes. So what this reverse will do? It will bring back all the elements from back to front. If you want to reverse the entire string, not string, entire list.
Rest.
Okay, clear? Anyone? Any questions?
Okay.
No.
Okay. So now let's see about అన్నా మనకి క్లాస్ 6:30 నన్ను నువ్వు 7 అనుకుంటున్నావు
6:30గా అనే 7 అనుకున్నామా?
నిన్న చెప్పా మర్చిపోయినావు.
అవునా?
6:30కి నేను ఈ వీడియో పెడతాను చూడండి. ఇది ఈ ముందు
సరే. ఓకే.
లిస్ట్ చదివేశారు కదా మీరు?
చదవండి ప్రతాప్. నాకు ఇందులో ఈ టైం కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది ఉంది. నో ప్రాబ్లం, బట్ రికార్డింగ్ చూస్తానండి.
Okay, so now let's see about set. In a list we can add element in an indexing order, correct? or wait, let me put very simple. List will allow the user to add any number of elements with duplicate. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Asha, correct, right? Whereas
Yes, brother.
set will not allow the user to have a duplicate. What will happen? It will not allow the user to have a duplicate. Okay, so it allows to have only the unique elements. Okay, so set is represented in curly braces. How it is going to be represent? In a curly braces. Okay, so let's see how can we represent a set. How should I represent? Square brackets or curly braces?
Curly braces.
Curly braces. Okay, so Raj, Ram, Rahul, again Raj. Okay, now let's try to print length of my set. So what is the total length of the set now? Why 3? Why not 4? Because we added 4 elements, right?
Duplicate is Raj's duplicate.
Though we have added a duplicate element, it will ignore. It won't throw any error. Okay? Clear?
Yeah, brother.
Anna, Sinan, adavutunda?
Yeah, brother. So, how about the list? The list will throw the error.
No,
If we
list
have
will never throw error. List will always have duplicates. It will allow.
duplicate, okay, it allow the duplicate, but set will not allow. Okay.
Okay? Next one. List is a ordered one, whereas set is a unordered one. In a list, insertion order is preserved, but in set, insertion order is not preserved. Okay, when we try to access elements from a list, okay, we will get the elements in the way how we inserted, but in set it's not like that, as it doesn't follow insertion order. You go to any programming language except JavaScript. In JavaScript we don't have any set and all. In JavaScript we don't have any set. Okay, we'll be always having in Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, and in Golang. Same set behavior is going to be same. Now you cannot access through index. Okay. So now see here, for I in my set, print of I. Now see here, if I execute this, every time I'm getting the elements in a different order. See here, I got Rahul, Ram, and Raj. Okay. Now see, second time I got Raj, Rahul, and Ram. It means that the elements are scattered here and there. Where? In list or set? In list or
set.
set? In set, all the elements are scattered. But whereas in set, all the elements in the list are ordered. But whereas in set, all the elements are scattered.
Okay. So in the list, we will be getting same order, right?
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Very simple. If you want to check, just remove these curly braces and put square brackets. Now you see, you'll get the same order. If I convert this curly braces, square brackets to curly braces, it will become a set. I'll get a unique values every time.
We can append to set if you want to add anything.
Set to we can, but it will ignore the duplicates.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, set
There is a thing called mutable, immutable. Pratap, what is that actually?
that is tuple, right?
Tuples, yeah, tuples. Okay, yeah. Right.
Set is also allowed us to store various data type elements like numerics, strings and other types under single variable. So what do you mean by this? It's not required that you have to store only strings or only numbers. It is heterogeneous, not a homogeneous.
We can use the mix of it, huh? Okay.
Yes. Okay, now tell me what is the output I'm going to get. Any guess?
It will give all the names, in a random way, maybe including the numbers.
Including the numbers, ignoring the
Yeah.
duplicates, correct?
Yeah.
But there is a trick here, you have to remember. You can't see 0 when there is a
Oh, okay.
false.
Oh, okay. So 0 is
False and 0 are resembles to the same.
okay.
False and 0 are considered as the same value.
Okay. What will happen if you put true
Where? Here.
in the list?
Nothing will
Put
happen.
common true. Right.
Something
Okay.
will be true. Yeah, see.
But true is taking. False. True is
False
taking.
will
Right?
be always check as 0 only.
Okay.
True and one.
True and 1. No.
One.
One is also ignored. Yes.
One is ignored. Okay. 0 and 1s are ignored, right?
0. If when you have false, true and false.
Oh. So if you remove the true and false, it will
0
take
and
it.
1 will come. There
Oh.
is just a numerics.
Okay. Remove the false. Okay.
See.
Yeah. Now 0 is coming. Yeah.
Okay.
That's an important thing. Yeah. Thanks.
I was telling you something. Clear, right?
Pratap, false and zero, if we put all the time, false only will come.
Yes, the
Zero.
precedence will go to false.
Okay.
Clear?
It's clear.
So in Python, we have seen about list and we have seen about set. So in list, how we are accessing the elements, we are accessing through the index position as well as through your for loop. Here also same thing, but you can't access them with the indexing order because the order of insertion is different here. Okay. Now there is one limitation that is available with the set. Set is not only that allows you unique value, but also in runtime you can't even try to add new elements to the set. You can't modify it. Okay, so why it is? Because we don't know at what position it wants to insert. In Python list, we have a method called insert. We are specifying at what index you want to insert a value. But here, changing of elements is not possible. Changing of values is not allowed in the set. Remember that. So yesterday we have seen index of 0 equal to some value, index of 1 equal to some value. But changing of items is not at all possible in the set. Still you are allowed to verify if some value is exist or not. How do you verify if something is exist or not? How do you verify
That
if something is exist or not?
particular element in set name.
Sorry.
Element we need to put what we want to check.
Yes. Raj in my set. Okay. Just run this. You will get it as true. Okay. Just you have to use your in operator. Make sense? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see user to add elements in runtime. So what do you mean by this? What do you mean by this?
During runtime,
So we
you
can add
the
elements in
Empty set.
runtime.
Okay.
Yeah, empty
So
set.
how
Okay.
can we create a empty set? So if you want to create any empty set, okay, I'm going to create a variable called my set is equal to, just use the class called as set. Just put like this. This will give you the empty set. So if you want to get the length of this empty set, len of my set, it will give you the total length of the set. It will be 0. Now for this one,
Oh, what is the input random, Pratap?
I'll tell you. So random is nothing but every time it will give some random value for us.
Okay. The function. Okay.
I'll show you this. Random dot random. Okay, we can specify what range you want. I want to get the values from 1 to 5 only every time. Okay. Hey, wait, sorry, not here. Why it is not coming? Wait. Sorry, random dot rand range. 1 comma 5. Every time it runs, it will give me some random number which will be always fall in between that range. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to generate some random number. I'm going to generate some random number, and that random number I'm going to, okay, I'm going to add that random number into which one, to my number. Okay, we can use rand range as well as we can use one more thing called as int also will be having rand int. both are same. Okay, so let's see how to use this one. Okay, so now what I'll do here is, guys, you are forget, you are thinking confusing with 0 and 3 here, no, right? This 0 is coming from the length. Now if I run this, see, I think you are confused, no, right? Every time when I execute this, I'll be getting some random number between the range.
Okay. Okay.
You're
Okay.
thinking
Okay.
how the
Yeah.
0 is coming, rare, no, right? Not confused?
No.
Okay, now random dot. So now I'm going to add the element to my set. Whatever the random number that I'm going to get, I'm going to add into my set. Make sense? Clear? Now I'm going to use my print of my set. Now tell me, see here, because I limited the numbers between 1 to 5. Every time it is generating, when it is generating some duplicate value. So set is not allowing you to add the duplicate value. See here. Can you see? Not clear? Clear? I am running this loop for 30 times. In this 30 times, I am generating a number between 1 to 5. So in 30 times, I may get a duplicate value, right? Because the limitation is very small, right here. It may generate 1, it may generate 2, it may generate 3, it may generate 4, again 1, again 2. So though you are going to generate a duplicate value, that will never throw an exception, but it allows you to add a duplicate value, but it will never consider duplicate value.
But Pratap, how did it give you output in a curly braces?
And that is a set, right? Set is going to give you curly braces one, right? That's what I told you.
Because you put my set. That's why.
Set equal to, I have created a empty set here, see.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. This is the way how
Empty
to
set.
create a
Okay. But
empty
that's not
set.
in curly braces, right?
Create a empty set.
Okay.
Whenever you want to create a empty set,
Okay.
use this constructor called set.
Okay. So instead of my set, you can give anything, right? Variable there. That is a variable.
Any
My
variable,
set is
any
a variable,
variable,
right?
anything,
Yeah,
anything.
any variable. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is a syntax part we need to remember. That set up.
Create a empty set.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The user is allowed to update a set from another set in runtime. So what do you mean by that? You can extend one set with another set. You can extend one set with another set. So let's see that. So we don't have extend method, but we have a method called as what? Update. So here I'm going to call it as currency is equal to INR dollar rands. Okay, so prices is equal to, I have ruby can dollar, okay, dinar, like this. Now all currency is equal to so now what I want to do, I want to update it, right? Correct. I want to update all these things into my this one. Okay, so I will use this one dot update into my prices one. Okay, so all this currency that is available in prices will be updated to here. Now if I use this print of currency,
Currently.
I'll be getting all these things. If there are any matching one available, it will ignore it. Okay. A set can allows the user to add any iteratable object. Any iteratable object. So what do you mean by iteratable object? It means that you can have a list as well. So price list is equal to, I'm going to make it as a list, not a set. So I'll make this variable to the price list. Now will it throw any error? Nothing will be happen. Output will be set only, but it will remove the duplicates if there are anything common exists. It will remove the duplicates if there are anything commonly exists between two sets. Clear? Any questions about update?
No, nothing.
Okay, so next one, set allows the user to remove an element only if
But here we cannot do it in reverse, right? We cannot update.
which one? When there is an update available, we can also remove the element. Okay, only if exists. So now from this one, I want to remove my INR. Okay, now see here that INR will get removed. So I have given it as INR, something wrong. Now it will throw an exception saying the key error. There is no value available called as INR. Okay, so when there is no element available, see the same thing if I use in my we are updating it, right? 1 second. Only if correct, I told correct only. Okay, so if the element is exist, then no problem. If the element is not exist, then definitely it will throw you that key error is available. It means that there is no key available in the given set. Okay, so to overcome this issue, when you are not sure if the element is exist or not, I may know or I may not know. In such cases, you can use the method called as discard, guys. So if the element is there, it will remove, else it will ignore. Discard will never throw an error. Okay.
This we can use in list as well. Photo.
Which one? List or there is no
Discard.
method called discard. No.
Okay.
You
Only
have
in
to
sets.
use your in operator and then you remove it. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
So here also in set we have a method called as pop. So now how pop will help you? In a random order, whatever the element that comes in, it will remove the element. You cannot guarantee because with all the elements are scattered here in the set, right? We don't know. Now what happened here? Which one removed? Dollars. INR was there. Dinar got removed. Correct? Now if I run it again, some other thing will remove. Now see, Canadian dollar got removed now. So be very cautious when you want to remove the element. Use discard. Don't use remove or pop. Pop is also dangerous. Clear? Okay. So this set is little bigger, guys. So we have to understand little more complex methods that are available where we use very frequently in our data science concepts. Okay. So interception, unions, updates, difference, symmetric difference, intersection difference. We have to see. So different methods are available. Okay, we'll discuss that in tomorrow in detail session. Among all the collection objects, set is the one which is having more methods. Okay, clear? Yeah. Fine, guys. We'll catch up tomorrow at 6:30. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.